stop for a few minutes. You can, encouraged to have lunch with us. We have Sri Lankan food.
Yeah, he likes it.
Oh, it is beautiful. We enjoy, and we'll certainly give an opportunity to speak a few words for us.
I'm just happy you guys
Thank
are
you
here.
for stopping by. It's amazing.
I'm happy to be here. Just,
Okay.
I promote more diversity, you know, in the community.
Oh, yeah.
Bring more things, and I want more things around
Right.
Metro Atlanta
Yeah.
to come here into Mapleton.
Right.
So,
And this is the first time we are doing. There's so much excitement.
okay.
There's no question we will be repeating this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
And this will be a common kind of a easy venue for us. 20 regions.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like very central for you.
Very central for everybody to
Yeah.
come even from.
Yeah.
And usually we keep this day for us.
Okay.
Right?
This weekend.
This weekend because there are a lot of people travel.
We can travel.
A lot of events happening at parks.
Sure. Yeah.
But if you can stop space for a few minutes, please. I think as soon as we finish these games, then the crowd will come. We can give you an
Oh, wow.
opportunity to talk.
That's great.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Sir.
Yeah, it's great location, probably
Yeah,
really
really.
fun.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
good. How many teams?
12 teams.
12 teams.
And then we have women's match too.
Uh-huh.
But that's just 2 teams. So they have one.
That's so cool, man. That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This is awesome. Yeah, I'll make sure I, help do what I can to promote and make sure we talk about it. Yeah. NWENS. NS.
Michael Owen. Google Michael Owen. Owen. Right? Okay. Good. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, I'm so happy to get. I'm trying to create this stuff that's going on.
Yeah, I know. Nobody knows cricket. I think it's similar to it's an English game.
Yes, it's English. Yes, yes. Yeah, Except baseball games don't go on for days. Like cricket matches can go on forever, right? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Baseball.
I'm AJ.
Hey, Jay, how are you?
Nice to meet
Michael
you.
Owens. Pleasure
Yeah,
to meet you.
I heard about you.
Yeah.
I'm president of the Sri Lanka Foundation.
Okay.
We just talked to our, one of the member secretary.
Yes.
Very, very good that you came here.
No, I'm happy to.
What is
happy
it,
to be
Michael?
here. Yes, Michael Owens. Yes.
Honestly.
Yes.
What did you hear or just stop by?
No, I'm always kind of looking for different things that's going on in the community, in the city. And when I came by before, I was like, I think they're playing cricket, right? Yes, I think so. And I came back and I said, you know what? I've got a little while before my next meeting. Let me just come by.
Absolutely. Yeah. This is Sahan.
Sahan? Michael Owens.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Indeed, yes. No, I'm just ecstatic. I'm happy you guys are having us here. In the city of Mapleton, we pride ourselves on being welcoming to diverse cultures and communities.
Hey,
and
thank
so
you for
when I'm like, we
stopping
got
by.
the Sri Lanka community out here today, I'm like, oh, this is awesome.
I mean, just like you are, we are surprised too because we have some community, but we wanted to get more.
Sure.
And
Yeah.
I think
Get
we
together.
have,
It's
yeah.
This is how you do it,
scattered,
though, right?
it's scattered all over Atlanta.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So some people came from North Carolina, South Carolina,
Auburn.
and Alabama.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winners of the game between Rome Kings versus Atlanta Legends that was played at ground number 2. The winners of the game is Rome Kings. Give them a big applause. Rome Kings are the winners of the game between Rome Kings and Atlanta Legends. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not picked up your lunch yet, the lunch is being served. Please be aware that we have 2 lines prepared. The line on the left is exclusively for the players. The line on your right is exclusively for the players. The guests, please follow the line on your left. Guests, please follow the line on your left. The line on the right side is exclusively for the players. Any players, any captains, please bring your teams. If you are not playing in the next game, please bring your team to have your lunch. We will be serving lunch while the games are being played. Please bring your teams to have your lunch. Also parents, we have only 5 more minutes left for your kids to have your pizza. If your kids have not taken your lunch yet, And please know that you have only 5 more minutes before we finish serving pizza for your kids. Parents, have your kids ready to get your pizza. Ladies and gentlemen, please be mindful that there are 2 lines at the lunch hut. The one on the right is exclusively for the players. Ladies and gentlemen, the lunch line on the left, on the right, is only for the players. Other guests, please follow the line on your right, on your left. Guests, please follow the line on your left for your lunch. The line on the right is exclusively for the players.
Hello, Kumar. Come on.
Mableton May is there.
අනේ මෙයා හොයනවා මම හෙව්වා ඔයගොල්ලන්ව නෑ මම මෙයාගේ පස්සේ මෙතන ඉන්නව දැකලා ආවා ඊට පස්සේ තාත්තා අතට ඇවිල්ලා ගෝ මම හෙව්වා මට හොයාගන්න බෑ ඊට පස්සේ යා ගිහලා මං ආයෙ බලන්න
සෙල්ලම් කරනවද?
එතෙන්ට යන්න ඕන. කාලා එන්නද පොඩ්ඩක්.
බයි බයි.
Can both of you open a lot of water bottles? Yeah. Open a lot of water bottles and leave it here for people to take. Mala? No, this is yours. Don't forget to give a napkin, okay? Open the door. Hey!
Chicken nada? Chicken dene?
Chicken free.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winners of the game between Pattu Masters versus Alia Avengers. The winners of the game between Pattu Masters and Alia Avengers is Pattu Masters. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand. Pattu Masters are the winners of this game that was played at round 3. The lunch is being served. Please be informed that the line on your right is exclusively for the players. The line on your right is exclusively for the players.
ඔය පිට්සා ගෙනත් දෙන්න ළමින්ට. නෑ මං කෑවේ දාලා අතෙන්ට යන්න වෙන්නේ.
Ladies and gentlemen,
තව කීයක් තියෙනවද? තව දෙකක් තියෙනවද?
we have the pleasure of having the mayor of Mableton, Mr. Michael Owens. May I invite Mr. Michael Owens to come and speak a few words for us on behalf of the Sri Lankan community. We are very proud. We are very fortunate to have the mayor of Mableton, Mr. Michael Owens. Mr. Michael, it's over to you.
Proud Alia.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, and welcome to Mableton, Georgia. Thank you all for, I understand that you guys are coming from far and wide to be here today to celebrate and to take part of this tournament. And I just want to thank you and the organizers, thank you guys for bringing it here to Mableton, Georgia. Our goal is to be an inclusive community, to be a welcoming city, and to make sure that we promote the diversity of having cultures from around the world that will come here to Mableton to celebrate, to take part in food and culture and obviously in sport. Now, I'm not a great cricket player. I played once or twice. But if you can imagine my surprise to know that we're having this here in my city, to be able to celebrate culture and community, that is what this is all about. So on behalf of the city of Mableton and to all of our residents, I want to make sure that you guys feel welcome, that you have a great tournament here, you have great food, and I'm just honored and privileged to be here with the Sri Lanka Foundation, with all you guys that came out, and have some more great cricket. Let's go, guys.
Thank you, Mayor, for being with us. It is really an honor, and we welcome you to have lunch with us. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the players who are not having lunch now, not having a game, please have your lunch now. Please be mindful, the lunch line on the right is ground number 3. The next game will be Auburn Lions versus Luminaries. Captains, please gather at the announcing station for the toss. Captains from Auburn Lions versus Luminaries, please gather for the toss. This game will be officiated by the Atlanta Legends, I'm sorry. Atlanta Legends, captain, have your officials ready for the game at ground number 3. The next game at ground number 1 will be Thatu Masters versus Marietta Gladiators. Thatu Masters versus Marietta Gladiators. Your next game will be at ground number 1. Captains, come to the announcing station for the toss. This game will be officiated by the Giripur boys. Captain of the Giripur boys, please have your officials ready for the game between Thatu Masters versus Marietta Gladiators at ground number 1. If you are here or a player or a guest not having your lunch yet, please have your lunch ready.
It
Please
looks
go and
great.
gather
It looks
your
amazing.
grab
I
your
can't wait to
lunch.
dig into this.
The lunch is being served.
Nehemiah. Thank you. Did you play?
No. Hi. Hi.
ඔයා වීඩියෝ එකක් හදනවද ඔගේ? good මේකද අපි හදපු බැනර් එක? හොඳයි ලස්සනයි. හොඳයි. very good. ටිකට ඉතින් අපි එන්න ඕනේ ඉස්සරහට. නෑ කට්ටිය more excited. Everybody. I mean, come from Birmingham.
Alabama. Two teams, right?
Two teams.
Two teams.
උන් ආසයිනේ ඉතින් අපි කොච්චර එන්න ඕනේද? ෆස්ට් එක මෙහෙම නයි ඉතින් ඉස්සරහට. දැන් අර ඉස්සල්ලා ඇහුවලු කොහෙද මේ මේරිලන්ඩ් වලින් ඇහුවලු. ඉතින් අපිට මේක ටිකක් මොනවා කරලා ගත්තා හැකියි. මේ අර අපේ හොඳයි.
ඉස්සලා ටීම් එකකට මෙහෙන්න. නලු එන්න පින්තර සානතේ නයින් එන්න. ඔන්නකොල ගන්න.
ෆොටෝස් ගන්න මම වීඩියෝ කරනවා.
ෆොටෝ ගන්න අපේ ටක් ගාලා ගාන ළමයි ටික එනවා.
අපි මෙච්චරයි අදයි.
3, 2, 1, 0.
right. මේක අල්ලපන්න. ඔය වීඩියෝ එන්නේ හොඳ. වීඩියෝ එන්නේ මේක අල්ලපන්න. ගන්න.
ආගලු දෙතොල් හසරණි මතුවෙලි ආගිය ගමන් සිහිවයි යලි යලි අසමාන වූයේ අපාදරේ කිසිදා විඳෙන්නේ
අයියා ඉතින් ගඩිමු. මල්ලිලා එන්න.
අතුලත වෙලා පොටලලා රන්නේ ඔබ ගෙන යවි සපුරලා
මල්ලේ වා මැදට යන්න.
Check. Just one. Check one.
පුතා Okay, ready? Alright.
Wait, why is Daddy in there? Amma.
Alright.
Is that Daddy?
කවුද මෙතන මල්ලේ? දුෂාන්.
Check one. හොඳයි හතර සීමාව කරා පන්දු ගමන් කරා මේ අවස්ථාවේදී අපේ කාන්තා නියෝජනය ටීම්ස් දෙක දැන් දෙවනි ඉනිම ක්‍රීඩා කරන්න පටන් ගන්න තිනවා මට පේනවා අපේ මෙතිල් මේ අනික් ක්‍රීඩකයෝ මෙතෙන් වෙලා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා සපෝට් එකක් දෙන්න පොඩි චියර් අප් එකක් දෙන්නකෝ අපේ විමන්ස් ටීම් වලට
මල්ලේ වතුර බෝතල අයින් කරන්න. වතුර බෝතල අයින් කරන්න.
හොඳයි දැන් පන්දුවට පහරදුරු ලබන්නේ බිග් ෂොට්ස් කණ්ඩායමයි. බිග් ෂොට් කණ්ඩායම තමන්ගේ පළවෙනි පන්දුව සඳහා පිටියට පැමිණ පහර දීමකට යෙදුණා. පළවෙනි පන්දුවේ පන්දු පාරේ දෙවෙනි තුන්වෙනි පන්දුව. දවියනෝ මේ මොහොතේදී හොඳ පන්දු යවිල්ලක්. ඉතාමත්ම හොඳ පන්දු යවිල්ලක් දවිගේ අවසාන වශයෙන් අවසාන Semi-final will be between CCC Birmingham versus CCC Birmingham B. Captains, can you please come forward? We need your support now as we are running late. We want to start the games quickly. The first semi-finals will be played between CCC Birmingham's versus CCC Birmingham B. We need the captains at the announcement station. The first semi-finals between CCC Birmingham and versus CCC B will be played at ground number 3. The first semi-finals between Birmingham A and Birmingham B will be played at ground number 3. The captains are ready for the toss. Here we go. Head was the call.
ඇති ලෝ.
What is going to do? කළු වෙලා ඉන්නද?
Birmingham A will be fielding, Birmingham B will be the batters. Birmingham team, captains, players, can you please gather at ground number 3 for the semi-finals? Birmingham C, the Birmingham A and B gather at ground number 3 for the semi-finals. To pause, reflect, and offer our deepest thanks to those who went above and beyond to make this day so special. First, let us appreciate with heartfelt gratitude those who prepared food for all of us. This was not just cooking, it was an act of love, generosity, and community spirit. From the delicious lunch to the morning and evening snacks, to the warm cups of tea, every bite, every sip came from a good heart as a special contribution to the community. To all of you who prepared and contributed, thank you very much. And very special thanks to all the ladies who helped at the food tent with food serving and snacks. We cannot forget you for your outstanding performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a hand for their outstanding work. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. You fill not just our stomachs, but also our hearts. A very special thanks goes to Annesley, who provided the sound system and filled the grounds with music and entertainment throughout the day. You helped create the joyful atmosphere that carried us through every moment of this tournament. Thank you, Annesley. We also want to thank the organizing committee who spent weeks and months planning, meeting and programming for a smooth event. Every detail was thought through with the needs of the community in mind. And today we saw the results of your dedication. But we must highlight 2 individuals who are at the heart of this tournament from day 1 to this very moment. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand to Jinad Kamage and Shamir Andeen for outstanding work. These 2 masterfully executed every detail, forming teams, coordinating with captains, preparing schedules, setting rules, and ensuring everything ran seamlessly. Their commitment, their leadership and energy have been extraordinary, and we are all incredibly grateful for the fantastic job they have done. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the players themselves. To the 2 men's team and 2 women's team, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand. We appreciate for your coming, for your dedication, especially the teams who came from Athens and Alabama. We are very grateful to you. Friends, please know that this is the beginning of a long journey we want to continue every year. Every one of you showed not just skills but also sportsmanship and camaraderie. You practiced, you prepared, and you gave you all on the field, inspiring us all. You are the reason we believe this event has a bright future, and today we will be remembered as the spark that started it all. Last but certainly not least, I want to thank the Gift Sri Lanka Foundation Board of Directors. It was your vision that brought us here today. The idea of a softball cricket tournament for the community. Ladies and gentlemen, you know the main objective of the Gift Sri Lanka Foundation is to bring the community together. Your guidance, encouragement, the support alongside the organizing committee turned that vision into reality. Ladies and gentlemen, today was more than just cricket. It was about unity, friendship, and celebration of our culture together. Thank you for your spirit, your energy, and your enthusiasm. Together, we have set the stage for a tradition that will continue for years to come. Now, let's move on to the exciting part of the evening, the presentation ceremony, where we celebrate the hard work, dedication and sportsmanship of our players and teams. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move into the awards presentation ceremony, we begin with the women's teams who brought so much passion, skill and excitement to the year's Cricket Fest. To present the awards, may I warmly invite, I know our guests are not here, I want to ask the organizing committee who will be presenting the awards. May I invite the chairman of the GIFT Sri Lanka board, Ajit De Silva, to present the awards to the women's team. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind the award for the women's is being given by Mr. Elian and Mrs. Kushi Kurmer and Mr. Nadija and Mrs. Nayana Vikramanayaka. Unfortunately, they couldn't get here today, but I want to applaud them, and the award for the women's team is jointly presented by these two families in our community. We thank you both for your generosity and appreciate always for coming forward to sponsor events like this and helping us in our need. Now, the first recognition for the Women's Most Valuable Player Award, honoring outstanding performance and dedication on the field. The award goes to Mrs. Miyuki. Please accept your award. Please come forward to accept your well-deserved trophy. I'm sorry, Miss Miyuki. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand. The chairman of the GIFT Sri Lanka Foundation is presenting the award to Ms. Miyuki, the Women's Most Valuable Player of the Year. Next, we recognize the women's runner-up team of Sri Lanka Cricket Fest 2025. We want the runner-up team to come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hot Shots. We invite the team members to come forward and proudly accept your medals. Hot Shots team, please come forward.
Come on, guys. Is that all? Thank you. Come on. All right, let's take the turn.
Right now?
Thank you.
The rest, you can take the rest. Am I right?
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. Let us celebrate the women's champion team of Sri Lanka Cricket Fest 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the team Big Shots. We invite the champions to come forward to receive the champion trophy and their cash award.
Thank you.
මේකත් තියගන්න.
එහෙම එක්කද දෙනවා?
Yes.
Wow.
And also this.
Wow.
Hold on, I will give you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand, big shots, the champion of the women champions team of Sri Lanka Cricket Fest 2025.
කැප්ටන්.
Before we move on to the next item, I want to take a moment. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our match officials whose dedication made today's game possible. We extend our sincere gratitude Mr. Sahan Thantiriwatta for serving as the match referee throughout this tournament. A very special thanks as well to all the umpires who officiated the matches and to the scorekeepers who diligently recorded every detail of the game. Your invaluable service, commitment and fairness ensured that today's tournament was conducted smoothly and successfully. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause for their outstanding contribution. Now we come to the presentation ceremony for the men's teams at the first ever cricket tournament. Now we first would like to go to the best batsman and best bowler. I'll invite Mr. Shamir Andeen to give the award for the best bowler. Mr. Shamir, can you come forward? The first award for the men's bowler of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the best bowler of the tournament, Mr. Madhushan of Birmingham A.
Wonderful, huh?
Yeah, this one.
Good job, huh?
Thank you very much, Shamir. We invite Jirad Gamage to hand over the men's best batsman of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the men's best batsman of the tournament, Mr. Timira Chaturanga. Mr. Timira Chaturanga of Birmingham A. We are now ready to give the award for the men's runner-up team. But let me before I introduce the team, may I invite Mr. Mahesh Suryarachi, come forward please. Mr. Mahesh Suryarachi, we want you at the podium. Mr. Suryarachi is a respected leader in our community with expertise in real estate, financial planning, annuities, life and health insurance, as well as business insurance. He also runs the Children's College Funding Program, helping families plan for brighter futures. Mahesh has graciously sponsored the runner-up team award for this tournament, and we extend our heartfelt thanks to him for his generosity and support. Thank you, Mahesh. And now it is my pleasure to invite the men's runner-up team of the inaugural Sri Lanka Cricket Fest 2025. Please welcome Spice Boys. They get the cash reward of $300 from Mr. Mahesh and their medals.
Right.
Thank you, Mr. Mahesh, for your support and for being with us. We appreciate you. Ladies and gentlemen, next we come to the highlight of the evening, the presentation of support and for making this a true memorable day. Before you head out, we kindly ask for your helping hand in cleaning up the grounds and assisting with dismantling the tents. Your cooperation will be greatly appreciated. And one more announcement, as you all know, we are showing the Clarence film on the 21st of September in Atlanta. We have sold out all the tickets, but we are ready to run a second show if we have 80 people to buy the tickets. If you have 80 people, 80 tickets to be bought, the total active
අවසනාවන්ත ලෙස බැරි ගියා දෙවෙනි ලකුණු සඳහා දිව යාමේදී ලකුණු 43යි. ලකුණු 43කට සියල්ලම බැරි යන ස්පයිස් බෝයි.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a good hand, big hand for having a fantastic final this day. Alabama versus Spice Boys. These were the two great teams into the finals. They gave a good team, good fight, and finally Alabama A wins the finals. Ladies and gentlemen, let's gather for the award ceremony. Please come to the announcing station for the award ceremony. We ask everyone to gather before the announcing station for the award ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, please gather in front of the announcing station for the award ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, come and join the fun right in front of the announcing station. Ladies and gentlemen, please come. This is the final moment of the Sri Lanka Cricket Fest. We want everyone to come and dance. Everyone, please come and join the fun. These last few minutes, come and join the fun. please come and join the fun until we prepare for the presentation ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, please come and join the fun until we prepare for the presentation ceremony. They get the cash reward of $300 from Mr. Mahesh and their medals.
Hey, Captain, मैं तो नहीं checking कर. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big hand. This is the champions of the first ever Sri Lanka Cricket Fest. Coming all the way from Alabama. We are very grateful to you for coming and participating with us. Thank you for your support and being with us. We appreciate it very much.
Come forward here. Come on. Yeah.
Thank you, champions. Thank you very much.
That's good. Yeah.
They are with us as we want to take a picture of the two teams. Birmingham A and Birmingham B, they are all part of one team, but played as two teams. Thank you guys for coming and be part of our community this historical day.
Alright guys, good.